In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert hyperlinks in Word if you want to make your document more interactive and easier to navigate. Adding a hyperlink is a simple and very useful feature. A hyperlink lets your readers click on a piece of text and go directly to a website or online resource. This is especially helpful in reports, resumes, school documents, or any file where you want to reference something online without pasting a long web address into the page. To get started, open your Word document and go to the top menu. From there, click on Insert. This tab contains tools for adding different kinds of content to your document, including links, pictures, tables, and more. For this task, we're focusing on the link option. Once you're in the Insert tab, click on Link. Depending on the version of Word you're using, this may appear as a button or a drop-down option, but the goal is the same. You're opening the tool that allows you to add a hyperlink to your document. After that, click on Insert Link. This will open the hyperlink dialog box where you can choose both the text that will appear in the document and the web address it will open. This is the main area where you'll set up the link, so take a moment to make sure everything is entered clearly. Now type in the text you want people to see. This is often called display text. Instead of showing a full website address, you can use something cleaner and easier to read, like visit the website, read more here, or the name of the page you're linking to. Choosing clear text helps your document look more professional and makes it obvious to readers what they should click. Next, paste the link into the address field. This is the actual web address that the hyperlink will open when someone clicks the text. Be sure to paste the full link correctly so it works as expected. If the address is incomplete or contains a typo, the hyperlink may not open the right page. Once you've entered both the display text and the link, Word will create the hyperlink in your document. You'll usually notice the text changes appearance, often becoming blue and underlined, which shows that the link is active. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to test the hyperlink after inserting it, just to confirm it goes to the correct destination, and that's how to insert hyperlinks